YouTube, what's good? Welcome back to the channel. If you're not subscribed to the channel, hit that subscribe button, smash that like button, turn on your post notifications. By the thumbnail, you know what we're doing today. We are unboxing the Tpob X trimmer. There it is, so y'all can see it in the flesh. Tpob X trimmer. It's got some minor differences than the OG trimmer, the OG X trimmer. So we're gonna go ahead and go over some of those things. We're gonna unbox, show you guys everything that comes inside the box, and also get it behind the chair so you guys can see what it is working like. So we're gonna go ahead and read over everything and let you guys hear what it comes with. Let's get to it.
Look, I just flipped the switch.
So like I said, we got the Tpob X trimmer here. We're gonna go ahead and read the box and we'll see what it says on there. So it says Tpob X, 240 minutes of runtime, all metal body, psycho graphene blade, 7200 RPM. On the back end here, it says Tpob X high torque brushless motor, which runs at 7200 RPM, all metal body with an ergonomic and balanced design, offering low noise level and our quietest performance yet. 2600 mAh battery gives a 4-hour runtime, graphene cycle blade and twisted tooth cutting blade for the crunchiest cutting ever. If you want to, you can go to thepissedoffbarber.com, use code JBLINS to save yourself 15% off on the website. Also go follow the Pissed Off Barber on IG at thepissedoffbarber. So there is everything that says on the box. So the Tpob X trimmer here, this does come with a USB charging cord and a charging block. It does come with a bottle of oil. It comes with a cleaning brush, user manual. It comes with a zero gapping screwdriver to adjust your blade if you need to get the cycle blade closer than it is. Overall, the cycle blade does hit right out the box, but we will test that today. And last but not least, it does come with a charging base for all those who want a charging base. So the Tpob X trimmer is like the Tpob X, the OG, that had the hanging hook, but they just chopped off the hanging hook and also put on included a charging base into the actual contents of the box. So there it is, the Tpob X trimmer. I'm trying to get that bad boy to focus there. I don't know what it's focusing on. So there it is, Tpob X trimmer. Can't wait to get this in the shop, let you guys see how it lines up. Like I said, the cycle blade on anything be chopping through all types of bulk, lines up super crispy. But let's get it to the shop so you guys can see what it's chopping like and give you my overall opinion on how it operates. So let's get to it. We got the Tpob X, the new rendition of the actual trimmer. It's got the cycle blade on there. Gonna turn it on, give you guys a sound test. Pretty quiet. As opposed to the other Tpob X, the hanging hook is chopped off. So I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all that, the old one, real quick. So this is the old X. As you can see, it's got the hanging hook on there. It's not, there we go. It's focused, so we got the hanging hook off. The new rendition doesn't have that hanging hook, so the aesthetics are a little bit nicer, so let's get to it. What's good, everybody? So we are at the demonstration portion of this video. We got the X trimmer in hand and we are putting it to use. We're creating a guideline with this so you can see how it slices through. And I'm going to use the blade in every which way we can use it, you know, with going against the grain, with the grain, flipping the blade over, and just trying to show you guys the different versatility that this trimmer has. So in the hand, the trimmer feels really good, very ergonomic. You can't really complain about the shape. It's a good weight. It's an all metal body, so it feels sturdy, feels very premium. The cycle blade is a great overall blade altogether. It is a complete hitter. So I suggest, you know, if you are looking for a new trimmer, if you're in the market to try something new, if you've been using the same, you know, maybe not Tpob brand, but another brand for a long time and you're looking to try something out, I would say try this trimmer out. Right now on Amazon, you can get the green X trimmer for $94 on Amazon, 2-day shipping. You can also get the black color or the candy color. So check those out on Amazon and you will be, I highly am sure that you will be satisfied with this trimmer. Now right here, we're doing the same thing on a different hair texture so you guys can kind of see what we're working with and how it's just working through different textures of hair, different densities, different, you know, thickness. And right here, I'm gonna go ahead and do an edge up on this client as well so you guys can see how it eats through that hair as well. So overall, great trimmer, can't complain about it. $94 on Amazon. If you're overseas and it's easier to use the Pissed Off Barber website, it is running at $104.99 GBP. I'm not sure what that equates to USD, but you can punch it in on Google and find out. Also, if you are using the website, you can use code JBLINDS to save yourself 15% off your purchase at thepissedoffbarber.com. But overall, like I said, it's a great buy. You can't beat it. Not a lot of trimmers under $100 are performing with this standard of quality. So that's one thing that the Tpob brand is very synonymous with, is giving you affordable quality tools. Tpob competes with the biggest of barber brands all over the United States, all over the world, and is putting out great tools. So try the brand out, try the tools out. Use my code JBLINDS to save yourself 15% off the website. If you want to purchase these trimmers, use the link in my description box for Amazon, and you'll be able to purchase those there as well. 2-day shipping, can't beat that. Overall, great trimmer, like I said, 7,200 RPM, all metal body, brushless motor, Psycho blade, just goes crazy on the edge ups and just eating through bulk and everything. So go check them out on Amazon and at thepissedoffbarber.com. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you're not subscribed to the channel, hit that subscribe button, smash that like button, turn on your post notifications, and just stay tuned for a lot more content to come. I hope you guys have enjoyed the videos that have been coming out, and I plan on doing a lot more content. Hopefully we can get a hair tutorial in here pretty soon using the plate clipper and one of the trimmers. So y'all have a good night.